My name is Sean McQuaid.
My name is Jonathan Douglas.
We are the next generation of injury lawyers in Denver.
Earlier in my career, I represented some of the largest insurance companies in the nation. That led me down the path of wanting to help injured individuals because I found out how these insurance companies really try to undercut people who've been injured.
I was inspired to be a lawyer in order to help the other people in our community. It's not about me. It's about serving the people who trust in me.
Every day I'm driven by the success stories that I have helped with my clients to try to make sure I can make that positive impact on my clients' lives. That really is what gets me going every day.
There are very few professions where you have a winner and a loser. The biggest skill that I picked up from my athletic career was the competitive nature. I like to compete and win. We are different from other law firms in the area because we listen to our clients, and that helps us understand what they're going through and what their goals are.
I was a passenger in my boyfriend's car when another car with no lights on hit us. I had a broken cheekbone, a broken eye socket, a broken nose. All of the blood vessels in my eye were broken. I went into severe seizures because I'm epileptic. I was rushed to the hospital and I was in a coma for 4 days. I was recommended to Denver Personal Injury Lawyers by a family member that had used them before. When I first met with Denver Personal Injury, their attorneys were very caring and very considerate. They listened to all of my problems and they helped me deal with the things that I was dealing with mentally and physically. Denver Personal Injury really helped me with that and helped me heal faster and get back to where I needed to be in my life.
It was early in the morning and I was driving northbound. There was this commercial truck that didn't see me turning and crashed into me. It hurt my lower back, my upper back, and my neck. Coming from an insurance background, working with them in restoration, I know how they work and how they try to get away from paying stuff. The insurance company treated me extremely bad. They're not in business to pay claims. I found out about Denver Personal Injury Lawyers just by Googling and thought I'd give them a shot since they had really good reviews. They are definitely lawyers that are caring, and it's not just about the bottom line. Denver Personal Injury Lawyers were at the cutting edge of the injury law, and they never backed down from my case. Always gave me the option and made me feel like I could do what I wanted with my case, but always advised me on what's best for me.
We're not the old guard. We're the new face, and we bring the fresh ideas of personal injury law in Denver. We are tenacious, and we have the ability to go after these insurance companies and execute for our clients.
Our courtroom experience gives us an edge because the insurance companies know that if they give us an offer that is not fair, we are going to push that case as far and as hard as we can until our clients are fairly compensated. We are not going to stop until we make a positive impact in the lives of our clients.
When clients come to us, we take the time to listen to them and learn who they are so we can make sure that they have a positive experience throughout the case.
We feel it's important to know that we are part of the community and we are going to not only protect our clients, but in turn, protect the community in whole. Together, let's turn a bad accident into a positive experience. Come check us out at denverlaw.com.